So I'm recording this so that if you need to go back, you can go back and listen to it. So E1 would be your ground state, and then E2, 3, or 4 are excited states. You don't have this picture. I just want to walk you through it, okay? So when an electron is on a lower energy level and a photon of energy is absorbed, what is a photon of energy? It's a particle. Okay, a particle of light gets absorbed. A photon of energy is a particle of light, and it gets absorbed. The electron will jump to an excited state. So you can see in here, there's two different examples. One is here, this one is at ground state, and you can see the photon coming in here. The electron absorbs it, and it then jumps. This one, an example, jumps 2 energy levels. So it's absorbed 2 even more energy. This one down here, it's already at an excited state, and it absorbed even more energy. And now it jumped to another excited state. So anytime that you see an electron go from a ground to an excited, or from an excited to a further excited state, it's absorbing a photon of energy, it's absorbing energy, and now it has more energy in it, more potential energy. So the opposite, emitting, when an electron in an excited state releases, or emits, means the same thing, release or emits a photon of energy, it will then come back. It will fall. So when an electron is in the excited state and it falls back, the electron will fall towards the ground state. It goes to a lower energy. And the important thing over here is that energy is given off in the form of light. So you'll actually see it. That's why we can see light, see colors, because electrons are falling back down to ground state or a lower energy level, and it releases or emits in a form of light. And so you can see on here, this one is going from the level 1, 2, 3, and it emits or releases energy, and it will fall back to ground state. This one is only releasing a little bit, or emitting a little bit, and it goes back to level 2, but it still will release a little bit of light. Okay, the one going from here is releasing more energy. My handwriting is horrible, sorry. More energy. So now, so your picture on the left, and you can highlight it or even write again on it, but it has it in the description, absorbs energy. The one on the right is releasing energy.